Okay, so yeah, we talked about our cutting tool search requirements. So you've got the same thing at a much bigger scale for machine tools, right? Because you're investing so much more, and you're really planning kind of the long-term vision for that machine tool, for the company through that machine tool. So you've got to make good decisions. So one of our decisions in the turning department is to stick with the same brand, because we've got people who know that brand, which is Mazak, which is a great supplier to us, and primarily because of the Mazatrol programming. Our guys know Mazatrol, so we would be unlikely to come in with another brand, because we've got to learn a whole different thing. Now you've got people who can do this and people who can do that, and cross-training is expensive and difficult. So in that world, in the turning world, we're pretty much Mazak. Now we do buy some for specific uses. We're buying big machine tools. We're spending millions of dollars on machine tools, so it's a collaborative effort. We don't make those snap decisions. It's a 3, 4, 6 month process to weed it out, go visit. When we bought the machine to support work holding, we even had people make practice parts. We went and said, machine this part. We brought it back and measured it and said, hey, good job, or, well, can you do better? And people said, no, that's as good as we can do. So that steered us in another direction because of machine accuracy.